Good morning, everybody. Happy Sunday. Today is vlog week day 1. I'm going to be vlogging every day this week and trying to upload a video every day. So I hope you guys are ready. I'm headed to church right now. I have my water bottle, my Target gift card in case I decide to go after. I'm wearing my pink Nasty Gal furry coat with my ball cap from Walmart, and then just a white long sleeve t-shirt underneath. And then my leggings are thrifted, and then these are and then my Boohoo sneakers. So we got to get to church quick. All right, I'm walking out of church. My hat was annoying me, but I don't want to carry it. We need to do something with this eyebrow situation, so I'm going to go to Ulta today and grab some makeup products because I want to do a Valentine's Day look. And right now I just have like the same products I've been using for like the last 2 years. I also have a Target gift card that I'd like to spend, which I should probably put it in my wallet. And I need to get some workout leggings because I'm starting to go for walks at the gym again, and like I only have like 3 pairs of decent leggings, maybe even only 2. So it's time to upgrade my workout wardrobe. I don't even know how much is on this, to be honest. I need to eat because I'm so hungry. So I think I'm gonna run to Starbucks and get some egg white bites and a coffee. So I will bring you guys with me for that. It wouldn't be a vlog if I didn't put you guys in the worst spot ever. So right now I'm sitting in line at Starbucks and I'm so tired. I don't know why. I've been sleeping fine. I've been eating like sort of good. I gotta confess. I had to quit Whole30 because I felt so weak. I could not even function. I couldn't work out. I couldn't do chores. I couldn't do YouTube stuff. I literally had 0 energy. And, you know, I did it for 11 days. And I was talking to some people who've done it before, and they're like, you shouldn't be feeling like that at this point. Like, you know, days 2 and 3, yes. But, like, up to that point, I don't know if I was, like, not eating enough or not eating the right things. I don't know. The point is, I'm not doing it now. It was really good. I felt good. Like, my skin looked good. I didn't have as many allergy problems because I wasn't consuming dairy. My pain level, okay, so I am currently trying to figure out why I have physical pain so often. And when I was doing Whole30, my pain management was like much better. So I think I need to incorporate some Whole30 principles, but as a whole diet, it's not for me. So I need to find something that fits my body and my lifestyle, and it just wasn't Whole30. This line at Starbucks is quite long. I don't know what I want. I kind of want to try the honey almond milk flat white, but I don't really like honey. I tried the honey almond milk cold brew, and it wasn't that great, honestly. I do, however, like the kale and portobello mushroom egg bites. Those are pretty good. I had those a couple of days ago. So I think I'm going to get those. I'm going to try this keto bread along with my egg bites. Hopefully it's good because I really just want a bagel, but I'm going to eat this instead. There's 5 grams of protein. Let's see how many you get. 1 slice. So I'm going to eat 2 slices. So everything will be double, obviously. No sugar or anything. That's cool. Got the new kale and mushroom egg bites from Starbucks. All right, I'm gonna try my toast. Hold that thought. This tastes like healthy bread. Okay guys, I'm on my way to Ulta now. I'm gonna go pick up some new makeup products. Then I'm gonna run to Target and check out the sheets and see if, because I need sheets for my bed. I can't remember if I said that or not. And also pick up a new pair of workout leggings because I really need some. And then we'll just kind of go from there. Hopefully I can find some fun stuff today. Just got to Ulta. About to put my mask on and go inside. Oh my gosh, the mask, the hat, and the fur coat, and all my hair made me so hot in that store. Oh my gosh, it was so hot in there. Anyway, I'll show you guys what I got. So I bought a new blush because I wanted one for Valentine's Day. So this is Peony by Kat Von D. And I think she released like all new makeup that's vegan. Then I also got the Covergirl powder foundation. I've been wanting to try this. Stephanie Letta has used it on her channel before and it's like amazing. I bought this to contour my face. This is the Maybelline Concealer, but I got it in the shade Warm Olive because I want to use it to contour my cheeks and forehead. I restocked on my Mario Badescu lip balm. I love this stuff. I'm almost out. It's like kind of getting thick and it's not as smooth and nice as it was when I first got it like a year ago. And last but not least, I got a new gel eyeliner and it's like a dark brown shade. It's called Fantastic Espresso and it's by IT Cosmetics. I really like IT Cosmetics. I've used their skincare before, but I don't think I've ever bought any of their makeup. So that's exciting. So that's it from Ulta, and then I'm gonna head over to Target, I guess. I don't know, I don't really feel like going there now, but I still like want to like check out the workout leggings, but I'm afraid that it's gonna be a madhouse in there, and I'm just not sure if I'm willing to deal with that today. So I might just go home and go look at leggings another time or order them online. All right, I'm doing it. I'm doing it even though it's a madhouse here. I don't care. Pulled my hair up. I feel a little better. I'm still hot. I'm kind of glad it's cold. Because even though earlier today I was complaining about it being freezing and how miserable it is. But now I'm glad. They have like these little workout sets, which are kind of cute, but I don't like the colors. So I'm gonna go this direction. All right, so a little update. I know that was a really quick Target trip. I didn't see any leggings that I liked at all. I did see one pair that I liked, but I don't know, they were like mint green, which was really cute, but then I'm like, I don't know, like I'd rather have more options than just that. So I think I'm gonna look on Amazon, and then I still have my Target gift card, so I might go online and look because, you know, stores are like really understocked right now, so I'm thinking like maybe online on Target's website I could probably find more options. I did see like a couple that I sort of liked, but they didn't have mediums. They only had like extra small and large, and to be honest, I honestly don't know which size I'd need, so I was like, you know what, I'm not going to spend anything on these today, so I'll just worry about it another time. And you know what, I do have this really nice pair of black workout leggings that I got from Walmart. So maybe tomorrow or another day this week, I'll go there and check their leggings out. Because I actually really like Walmart's workout clothes. Target's is good too, but I feel like Walmart has just slightly better prices. But now I have to go to Wendy's to get my brother some food. So I'm going to do that as soon as I get out of this slightly chaotic parking lot. There's lots of people out since it's Sunday. Oh boy. Ceiling fan light is so bright, it's so annoying. Okay, so I still kind of have a little halo going on, but I'm home from the stores and now I need to do some laundry. So normally when I do laundry, what I do is, oh Lord, I need to take that wreath down too. I keep forgetting that it's up because I don't really look at that wall unless I'm vlogging. But anyway, yeah, so I separate my clothes into like 3 different piles. I don't know if anyone else does it this way, but I do like dark clothes like blacks, jeans, all that, whites, and then color, so like pink, orange, yellow, like those types of colors. So, and then I choose the largest pile, which is normally my darks, and I wash that first and then just kind of go from there. But normally I only do 1 load of laundry a day, or a week, sorry, but I think today I'm gonna do like 2 because I feel like I have a lot of dirty clothes this week. Oh, also because I was almost late for church this morning, I didn't make my bed before I left, so I'm gonna do that as well. Okay, so I'm about to do yoga now. I am doing yoga with Adrienne. That's who I always do yoga with, and I really like her yoga flows. You know what, actually I will do a time lapse and then I'll link the video in case you guys want to try it. It's really fun. I really like her. She's so soothing and just explains all the postures and everything, and just, she's funny too. Like sometimes she'll say like quirky stuff and it makes me laugh, like mid down dog or something. So you guys should check out her channel. She's really cool. And if you're like looking to get into yoga, I would suggest either taking a beginner's class or starting with her. I've actually never taken a live yoga class. Like that's something that I want to do this year, but I'll probably wait till after like I get the vaccine or whatever. But for now, I'm just doing her, and I love her. I think she's great. So, and sometimes she kicks my booty. So hopefully today is not too bad, because like I'm a little sore because I went on a walk yesterday, and it was the first time I've been on a walk in a couple of months because of the weather, and I just decided to go to the gym. But anyway, I'm done rambling. Let me show you my yoga routine for today.